Hi there, this is Rozani. Well, here we are with part 2 of my Cyclops pumpkin. So here I've used the crumpled paper napkins to make wedges. And I covered them with the copier paper, let it dry, and then I made a pencil outline. I added my color with the crepe paper, but it looked a little too thin, so I decided to add more bulk to it to create bigger wedges and to give it more depth. And I think it really made a difference here. So I'm just adding the crepe paper on top of the brown paper napkin. So I decided I'm going to add more wedges all the way around. It looks more pumpkin-like. And I did the same process, but this time I used the copier paper because I ran out of paper napkins. And then I put the crepe paper on top of that. And then while I was at it, I wanted to add texture to the stem. So I twisted some pieces and I stuck them on there with liquid starch. And then I got a green paper napkin and decided to use that to color the stem. Sometimes the layers separate, and that's fine, but it just becomes very thin, so I just have to do it very carefully. But it's going to look really nice. So I had to set it all aside to dry. Meanwhile, it's time to work on the eyeball. And I made these little drawn and painted cutouts, and I used my paint pens to make some samples. And you can create your own by using pen markers. Just cut them out and see how it works. But here's my first test. And my second test. And here comes the third test. And I could still paint on it. Well, I'm almost there, but not quite. I'm going to let this dry. Please be on the lookout, and I'll show you more in part 3. Thanks, y'all, so much for watching, and hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.